Hey guys, catch and release fishing here. Today I'm fishing a little tiny creek. Little guy runs into one of the rivers here near my home. Catch some nice little fish here. Don't expect anything too big, but we might be surprised because it runs into a big river here. I'm also going to try some jigs and stuff too for possibly crappie. All right guys, let's get it started. Let's go! Oh shit. SLAB City. Come here. Nice crappie. Look at that. A little catfish. Channel Catfish. Little crappie jig. Let's go. A little largemouth. All right guys, that's going to conclude the video today. Here at a small creek me and Kaiser decided to take a little adventure at. You see that little spot? I can almost jump across that. I would probably break my leg, but I would try. Look at this little spot. It's about 4 feet deep. I caught huge crappie in it, a couple bass, even got that channel catfish. That was awesome. I had a blast. It runs into one of the rivers near my house on here, and we figured to give it a shot. Never underestimate small bodies of water like this. They could hold monster fish, especially if the river's blown out downstream. The fish come up here for sanctuary and they hunt for prey and everything. Little spot like this, 4 feet deep, holds a lot of fish. Don't underestimate it. If you take anything from this video, go after your small little creeks. I love it. I had a blast. I'll see you guys out on the water. Let's go!